me how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my froze? It's me, Gina, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a product haul with you guys. It has been a minute since I purchased some new products on my own. So this product haul is going to be a few products that I've purchased with my own money, which I'll let you guys know, and then some products that I got sent through PR, and I'll let you guys know which ones is which. Before we get into this video, if you have not joined our SmartFro family, make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any uploads. And let's see what's new to my stash. If there's anything you come across that you would like to see a video on and a certain style on, leave them down in the comments down below. And let's get into this goodness. So the first set of products that I have is the new Eden Bodyworks Papaya line, which looks like this. It was actually sent to me because I have a sponsored post that I have to do over on Instagram. But you guys know I'm not going to leave you guys hanging, and I'm definitely going to do a washing style because I have all the products to do a washing style. So that will be coming at some point. But the products that come in this line is the Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser, which I believe this is a co-wash conditioner and not necessarily a shampoo. Then I have the foam conditioner, which looks like this, which I am really excited about, really, because I've been seeing it going around. Then I have their Nourishing Curl Jam, the conditioning hairdresser, as well as a scalp massaging serum. I actually really enjoy Eden Bodyworks products, so I'm really excited to try these products. And okay, so the next two products, they were purchased with my own money, and they are the Teal Oig Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner, and then I also have the Green Apple and Aloe Nourishing Curl Elixir, which looks like this. I have been dying to try these products since they launched last year at the World Natural Hair Show. I think that's when they launched, and girlfriend Ari loves these products, and I just really been dying to try them that I was just like, you know what? I'm going to get them. The next set of products were sent to me to do a blog post, which I am working on now, and eventually I will do probably a washing style because I have enough products to do a washing style. But it's the Ouidad Curl Immersion for dry hair. It is their No Lather Coconut Cream, which is a co-wash. Then I have their Curl Immersion Silky Souffle, which is like a twisting cream. And then they sent me these little bitty products that I can't do nothing with because I have too much hair. But it's the Triple Threat Deep Conditioner with coconut, avocado, and grapeseed oil. And then this Curl Hydrathrema Custard, which is like a little gel. But that's not enough product, so I'm not going to be able to do anything with that. And then the next product that I got, and this came in a Sally's Beauty PR box, and that is from Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, which looks like this. Now, I told myself I wouldn't use Shea Moisture products. Now, I definitely wouldn't purchase some with my own money, but I feel as though I could use this because I didn't purchase this with my own money. So I might do a video on this just because it was sent to me, and I did decide to keep it and not give it away just because I heard that this was a really good protein deep conditioner. It doesn't have much of a smell to it, but so I have that. This was also came in the PR box from Sally's, and it is the Doux Good Day. This is their Daily Cycling Hairdress, which is a finishing cream. That looks like this. I actually don't know how to use this, so I haven't really just been in the mood to just use it. I don't know if it's like a moisturizer or it's just like an added step on top of another product. So if you know, let me know in the down below. And then this also came in a Sally's PR box, which is the TGIN Thank God Miracle Repair Curl Food, which is their styling cream. I haven't used this yet because I think I'm going to purchase the leave-in. That way I can do a styling video for you guys. I haven't decided yet, but it smells good. I like the smell and I want to use it. So I think I am going to buy that leave-in. I have a Sally's gift card, so maybe I'll get the leave-in with that gift card. Now the next two products I purchased with my own money, and I've been dying to try these products because I feel like they are OGs in the natural hair community. And that is the Hydrothermal Naturals products. And I have their Amino Plus Protein Deep Conditioner Treatment, because I never feel like I have enough protein deep conditioners when I'm ready to use them. Never seem to have them. And then I have their Hydrothermal, which is their Aloe Curl Enhancing Twisting Cream, which is, I'm super excited about that. So I have these two products. I posted this on Instagram and a lot of people said that these are absolutely amazing. So I am super, super excited to try these. And then the last product from the Sally's PR, they sent me more stuff, but I got rid of that stuff. Like if I had duplicates of it or I knew I wasn't going to use it, I put it in the giveaway that I did for 20K. But this is the Rich Perp Pure Luxury Argan Curl Enhancing Cream. It looks like this. I kept this because this bottle is heavy, but it's little. It looks fancy. So I kept it and I am going to try it. But I was looking on pictures on their website and I ain't see anybody with kinky hair. So I don't know how it's going to go. And then the last hair product that I have is by Jane Carter Solution. It is their Nourishing Restorative Shine Butter, which you guys know I have been dying to try. This has been on my list and I found it. It was only $14.99 and I believe this retails for a lot more. So I'm super excited to have this because I've been dying to try it. And then the last thing that I have, which are not hair products, but they are hair tools, is the wave formers. So these videos have been going around with these wave formers a lot this month. But I really wanted to try them on myself because I like the way they looked. And so I brought these. It took them like a month to get here, but a video will be coming soon with these because I'm dying to try it. I'm dying to see how it looks because I think it will be cute. Like my hair is like a bob style. I think they would be cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if there were any products mentioned and you want to see a certain video on them, let me know down below in the description comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other two videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.